Trypophobia girl, here to rock your world. Woo! Guys, welcome to my new channel. Let's jump right into it. I made this piece of latex and flour. Let's start by priming this face mask with a good old primer. Rub that right in. And then we can go in with a heavy foundation with heavy coverage so it evens out the skin tone of the latex. Yeah, and then powder everything as you normally would, I guess. I just decided to remove my makeup. Why was I wearing it in the first place? I have no idea. I guess I wanted to look pretty, but then it's time to protect the brows and the lashes because I really like to keep them. And we're putting latex all over our face and it's very dangerous actually. So use a lot of Vaseline, and that's my baby in the background, so don't mind him. Yeah, rub it in nicely, and then we start off with a thin layer of liquid latex all over your face, all over. And then we do the same thing on the inside of the face mask. Gently push it on if you think you have it on the right spot. I officially turned myself into a human cheese ball. Yay! Cover the edges with a little bit of extra liquid latex. And then I use Skin Illustrator Flesh Palette to even out the skin tone even more and to hide the grayish parts of liquid latex coming through. I decided to fill in the holes with a very intense pink because I thought it would look cute and, well, it's something. Oh my God, Gaston. I swear to God, watching my baby climb on the furniture is creepier than this whole piece I just made. But then again, I'm filling in all the holes with more pink. And because the edges of this prosthetic were horrible, I decided to cover it with a bandage that I had laying around. I also mixed the pink shade that I found. I think it's OCD kind of thing. It's very intense lip gloss, and I just mix it with glycerin and water, and now it looks like this. And well, I don't know if I like it, but it's freaking creepy and adorable. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.